Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create text cards in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. Let's activate the card. Now in this field, we'll pick up the subcategory. Now in this card, the accessories subcategory is displayed according to the alphabetical order. It takes up automatically. Now we want to do the filtering of this text card. How we can do? Pick up the subcategory and drop it into add data fields. Activate top N. Right down here, top one items based on sales. So drop it here. And right down here, one, apply the filter. So phones is the topmost item according to the sales. Let's do the formatting of this text card. Format your visual, call out value. The colors can be changed from here. Moreover, let's try to change the name, rename for this visual. And here we will write down highest sales. Done. So you can see here it displays the highest sales. Format your visuals, call out value, it is black color, display units, keep as it is. If it is necessary, you can change the color from here. Category label. Now go in general, properties. By increasing or decreasing this number, the height of the card will increase or decrease. Width, position. By increasing this number, the card will shift on the right hand side. This will shift towards the bottom. Padding. By increasing this number, the white space on left hand side will increase. White space on right hand side will increase towards the top and towards the bottom. Advanced options, keep as it is. Title, if it is necessary, activate this and you can write on the title here. Otherwise, skip to the default settings. Effects, background, let's change the background. Visual borders, we require the visual borders and a dark black color border with rounded corners. Done. So this the text card is ready. Let's introduce the shadow also if it is available. Effects, yes, shadow is available on it, and the color of the shadow can also be selected from here and done. So this is how you can create the text cards in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.